Hi, how are you everyone? Today we will learn how to classify triangles. Topic number 16, lesson 1. The objective of our lesson today is I can classify triangles by their angles and sides. So we have three types of angles. Right angle, and the angle always equals 90. Acute angle, while the angle equals always less than 90. Obtuse angle, which is always equals more than 90. So, triangles can be classified by the measure of their angles. So look here, look at all the angles. 3 of them are acute, so we call it acute triangle. All 3 angles are acute angles. Now look at this triangle. Both of these angles are acute angles, but this one is obtuse, equals more than 90. So we call it obtuse triangle. One angle is an obtuse angle. Now the last type is the right triangle. Why? Why do I call it right? Because look at one of the angles. It's a right angle. So one angle is a right angle. So these are the 3 types of the triangles classified by the measure of their angles. Now we can also classify the triangles by their sides. How? Look at this first triangle. This triangle, all sides are the same length. All sides, the 3 sides, are in the same length. For example, this one equals 5 centimeters or 5 inch. This is the same. This is 5 and this is 5. The 3 of them are equal. We call it equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Now, the second triangle, we at least 2 sides are the same. 2 sides are the same. So this one and this one are the same. So this triangle is called isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. The last triangle, no sides are the same length. 3 of them are different. Okay, so this triangle we call it scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. Now look at this question. Can a triangle have more than one obtuse angle? 2 angles equals more than 90. Now, to make sure, I try to draw it. So this is the first angle, more than 90. I'm supposed to complete it like this, right? To make a triangle. So I tried to make a second or another obtuse angle like this. So in this case, can I make a triangle? Impossible. So the answer is no. When I draw a second obtuse angle, I'm not able to draw the third side to connect the first 2 and create a triangle. So I can't draw. If I draw more and more side, I can't have a triangle. So the answer is no. Only one angle can be obtuse. Question number 1. Sally classified a triangle as an obtuse acute triangle. Obtuse acute triangle. Is this possible classification? No. A triangle cannot be 3 acute angles and 1 obtuse. We have only 3 angles in each triangle. So, can I have 3 of them acute and 1 of them obtuse? No, this is not a triangle. Can a triangle have more than 1 right angle? Of course no. Try to draw it, girls. Can I have more than 1 right angle? Of course no. No, a triangle can have at most 1 right angle like this one only. Okay, now look here. In this question, we have to classify each triangle by its sides and then by its angles. Okay, girls, when you see like these dashes on the lines, that means that these lines are equal. So in number 3, it's telling us that these two are equal. Okay, let's go back to the first or second slides. First, we have two equal sides. Okay, the two equal sides is called isosceles. So the triangle is isosceles. Now, can I see any obtuse angles? No. Any right angle? No. So it's acute triangle. So it is isosceles and acute triangle. Now, look here. Okay, 3 of them are equal. How did I know? From the dashes on each line. 3 of them are equal. Okay, let's go back. 3, all sides are same length. It's called equilateral triangle. So it's an equilateral triangle, and I can't see any right or obtuse angles, so it's acute triangle. Now, number 5. Okay, did they give us that any of the sides are equal? No. So let's go back to this slide. Okay, so it is a scalene triangle. So scalene triangle, and one of the angles is right angle. So it is a scalene and right triangle. Here the same. Is any one of the sides equal to another? No. So it is a scalene, and okay, I have one of the angles obtuse. So it's a scalene and obtuse, sorry. The last question is, draw each triangle in its correct angle classification. First, A. In A, I can see this angle is an obtuse, so I'm gonna put it under the obtuse. B, all of them are acute, so it's gonna be with the acute. D, this angle is obtuse, so I'm gonna put it under obtuse. In C, this angle is right angle, so I'm gonna place it under the right triangles. E, I can see this angle right, so I'm gonna place it under the right angles. And F, I can't see any of the angles obtuse or right, so it is under the acute. So this is our lesson today. Please solve the independent practice and the homework and then send it to me. I love you all. Goodbye.